Guys, most of you must be staying at home, staying safe, fighting against corona. Great. So during this lockdown period, we have brought a very fantastic program online, which is learning practical HR. Yes, if you have a desire to be an effective HR professional, successful HR manager, then yes, this program is for you. If you want to understand meticulous, systematic procedures of human resource management, then yes, this program is designed for you. Especially, this program is for everyone who wanted to learn practical HR, especially the people who have done MBA in HR, people who are pursuing MBA in HR, people who are pursuing or have done MPM, MSW in HR, or people who are working as a HR professionals. Yes, it's for everyone. What you will be learning, it's already mentioned here that you will be learning all practical procedures of HR that has not been considered in theory. Right. HR systems, procedures, and procedures. Right. System, procedure, and procedures. When you learn it, you can be a effective HR professional in your career. Yes, that's guaranteed. I'll be giving you one example. You are a HR executive, and if it is told to you to do a perfect human capital planning. Now, in looking at the industries, this is a very challenge for HR person to have a clear-cut HCP, human capital planning. Why? Because market is very volatile, and that's the main challenge. But here, we will be giving you greater inputs, greater suggestions, tools and technology, wherein you can meticulously plan human capital in a very accurate way. Let us take one more example. As HR executive, when it is asked to you, it's a responsibility to prepare effective learning and development plan for the organization. Right. So this is one of the organizational development activity, OD activity. And this is also a challenge to start L&D and to end L&D. Now, to overcome this challenge, you need to know proper tools and techniques, systems and procedures practically, so that you can easily prepare L&D plan for the organization. Correct. And that makes you a HR part of the organization. All the details are given here. You can go through it. Results are very guaranteed. This program will be starting all the details like how much is the fee, the schedule. It will be on Zoom, online. Correct. It is 9-day program. Plus we will be having follow-up sessions. Right. Because it is not only a commercial program. We are here to support you to make you effective HR professionals. So there will be follow-up sessions as well. A lot of things are available. So to register here, to get more details, send your information on this number, right? I introduce myself as well. My name is Prashant Nimbalkar. I am motivational speaker, life coach, HR consultant and author as well. As of now, I have completed around 400 motivational programs across manufacturing, IT, educational industries, right? And have trained around 30,000 people. So altogether, transformed around 30,000 participants, right? As far as HR is concerned, I worked HR head earlier. So in total, around 18 years I am working as HR professional, right? So all that practical knowledge I will be sharing with you in these 9 days. Great and very fantastic program, guys. Right. Apart from this, in addition to this, if you need anything, connect with me here. You can WhatsApp, right? So if you are really planned to be an effective HR professional, to be an successful HR manager, then yes, this program is for you. Enroll right now. This is the number. Send your details on WhatsApp, right? Thank you so much. Have a fantastic life.